Congratulations on listing your house! Staging your house the right way can help you sell quicker and for more money. Here are a few steps to help get you started. Step 1. Mow the lawn and trim the bushes. Curb appeal makes all the difference online and in person. Step 2. Pack up anything you don't use every day. You'll be moving out anyway, so why not get a head start? Step 3. Turn the bedrooms back into bedrooms. Trade out that exercise machine for a bed and a nice duvet. Step 4. Declutter the kitchen and bathroom counters. A potential buyer should feel like they're entering a hotel room. Step 5. Do a final round cleanup. This includes windows. Nicks and gouges in the walls should be filled and painted at this time as well. Step 6. Add some color. Now that you've got a blank canvas, you might add some annuals to the front yard or some folded towels in the bathroom. I'm happy to share other staging tips that can help. Or if you have any other questions, contact me at 661-505-8102.